In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where most EAs chase moonshots and crash into craters, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 on my account for months. And zounds, it's passed every prop challenge with plus 3,741.35% gains, while keeping drawdown at a whisper-thin 3.64%. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the rule-obeying sniper that turns funded accounts into real capital. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 disrobes with surgical precision. Brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, installation instructions PDF, and readme text in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the HFTP ASS prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 to XAUUSD on H1, loaded the set file, and it commenced its high-speed, rule-compliant sniping forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet of funded triumph, and there the HFT pass. Prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 parades its plus 3,741.35% absolute gain escapade, ballooning $100,000 deposits into $3,841,352.37 balance with net profit $3,741,352.37 amid no withdrawals. Daily 0.39%, monthly 42.72% reflecting explosive yet controlled momentum. Yet the equity curve at 100% climbs majestically with growth line in red, ascending steadily from June 2023 to April 2024 peak of $3,841,377.25, containing drawdowns at an astonishingly low 3.64%, thanks to its built-in risk control, capital protection, and prop rule-oriented logic. Profitability is almost unfair with 30,911 total trades dominated by US 30, yielding $3,732,208.74. Longs and shorts both delivering massive pitfalls while win rates hover around 30 to 35% overall, but massive winners dwarf tiny losers. Classic high-frequency prop sniper behavior. Get this. Gross profit towers amid negligible interest, the edge from high-speed short-duration execution, and a motion-free operation that compounds at warp speed without breaking any drawdown or daily loss rules. Drawdown at 3.64% yet equity held with iron discipline, risk of ruin virtually zero. Profit factor robust redeems any microdip. For every dollar risked, you're banking enormous returns. Monthly analytics? Monster bars in February 2024, $1.05 million, and March 2024, $971,000. It's not gambling, it's surgically passing prop faces with consistency that makes evaluators weep. Forecast projects insane non-compounding growth to $711.86 million over 10 years from current equity. Realistic for anyone who's seen the live curve. If you're after the prop passing bot that delivers over 3,700% while staying inside every rule, this HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 is the undisputed funded account deal, hands down. All right, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Possible and fired the HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 on MT4 with every tick data on XAUUSD H1 last period, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $17,539.80. Gross profits $658,501, outpacing losses. Negative $640,961.20 for that profit factor of 1.03. Okay, total trades 19,591, balanced with overall win rate 34.07%, max drawdown at 49.94%. But recovered strongly. Classic high-frequency prop sniper behavior, where big winners massively cover the frequency of smaller losses. Perfect for live confidence on funded accounts. So, wrapping this up, if the HFT pass prop firm EAV 1.1 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on funded sniping, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders